the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what market structure is and how to identify any structure on any time frames. You're also going to understand how many structures we have, the types of market structures we have. If that is a topic you are interested in, please help me destroy that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified when I post my upcoming videos. And also remember to give this video a like to show your support. Thank you for doing that. Now, I'm going to explain what market structure is in a layman's term, in a way that everybody can understand, no matter how dull you are, even a dummy can understand. Because what I came here to do on YouTube is to actually teach you. I just came here to teach, no big grammars, no show off, just to teach you, because I really want you guys to become profitable. A lot of people are losing money, and I've come to change that. I've come to change that notion. Okay, so I'm going to explain it with the easiest English, with the easiest terms, so that every human being can understand it. All right. Okay, so what is market structure? Market structure is the movement of price at a particular given time, or at any time frame. The movement, the way price moves on any or each time frame, that is called market structure. Okay, now you got the definition. So under market structure, how many types of structures do we have? We have three types of market structure. Okay, now we have the bullish market structure and we have the bearish market structure. And lastly, we have the choppy, which is the ranging or consolidating market structure. I'm going to show you exactly everything, exactly what I actually mean right here. So this is a whiteboard right now. The first market structure, I said we have bullish market structure. If the price is making this higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows. If the price is making higher highs and higher lows, that is a bullish market structure. Now, if price is doing something like this, lower low, lower highs, and lower low, this is called a bearish market structure. This structure here, this one is a bearish market structure. This is a bearish market structure. Then this other one is called the bullish market structure, because this is making higher highs. This high is higher than this high. Okay, this low here is lower than this low. Properly, this is H L, that is called higher low. Then we'll have this as higher high, HH. Okay, this is higher high, and this here is higher low. Beautiful. Now we have lower low, L L, and we have lower high. This is L H, L L, lower low, and we have what? Lower high. So look at this properly. These two ways are different. These two structures, these two market structures are different. This one is making higher highs, while this is making higher highs, because this high here is higher than this high. This high over here is higher than the previous high, because since it's higher than this one, it's called what? Higher high. Since this other one is higher than this one, it's called higher high. Then we have a higher low. This low here is higher than the previous low. Now this other low here is higher than the previous low, so it's called higher low. That is, if we see this thing happening, anytime you see something like this happening, just know that you are in what? A bullish trend. Okay, that is a bullish market structure. Now we have the bearish market structure. The price is going down, making lower low and lower high. This low over here is lower than this one. It's called lower low. Now we have lower high. This high over here is lower than this other high. So that is called what? A what? Lower high. And everything here, anytime you see the market doing this thing, you should just know that this is what? A bearish market structure. All right. Okay, so let's proceed. We have one more structure in the market, which is this one, this one. So anytime you see a market doing this, you see any market doing this, this here, that is, it's not making no highs, it's not printing precise highs, as you can see, something like this. It's just doing something like this and just doing something like this, something like this. Just know that this is called what? A consolidation, a ranging market, a ranging consolidation market. That way, the market is not actually making any progressive move. It's just going up and down at a particular spot. Now, this is called what? A what? A ranging market, a consolidation. All right. So now that you've been able to know these three types of market structure, let's quickly go and show you these things on the real charts so you understand exactly what I say and how to implement this thing on your own, how to backtest this thing on your own. So let's quickly go to the charts. Now I'm on USD CHF. Right here, I'm on USD CHF, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean right now, how you can identify this properly. Okay, because everything I came here to do on this YouTube is to teach you. I really want you to come out of drawdown. I really want you to regain your losses. Because a lot of about 95% of traders are losing money on a daily basis. I came to change that. So that is why I'm taking my time to teach you in a way that you're going to understand it. You understand? I've been there. I know how frustrating it is. I know how losing money constantly feels. Like losing money on each trade. You place a buy, the market sells. You sell, the market buys. I know that feeling. I've been there before. You understand? So I came to change it. I came to help you come out of that particular, phase of your trading career. All right. So that's why I really want you to subscribe right now and become part of the oracles. Become one of the oracles. Let me turn you to an oracle on the chart. Okay. So this is USDCHF on the 1 hour time frame. I just want you to understand exactly what I'm saying right here. Real quick, look at this here. Okay. Now we're on the bullish market structure. If you notice something, you see that. Let's just label this properly to make everything clearer. Now we have, if you notice something, you know that this low over here now, this low here is higher than this previous low. That made it what? A higher low. Now this high here is higher than this previous one. That made it a higher high. This low here now is higher than this previous low. That makes it what? A higher low. This is a higher high, and that makes it what? A higher low. Now, if you notice something again, you see that this previous high here, this new high is higher than this previous high. So that makes it what? A higher high. this low here is higher than this other low. This current low is higher than this previous low. That makes it a what? A higher low. When I'm done doing this, go back test this on your chart. Use it and identify every particular chart. Every particular chart. I also have another video where I will show you an advanced method of market structure. An advanced method of market structure. Look at this. Looking pretty good. This, at a glance on this chart, you will just know the trend of the market. At a glance on the chart, just looking at it, you will just be able to identify and tell somebody this market is going to this direction. It is going to this direction. It's going to this direction. This is how I was able to know. Okay, how I know that okay, this market will buy next, because after a higher high, you're expecting a higher low, and after a higher low, you're expecting another higher low. So if I see price makes a higher high and made a higher low, the next time I'm expecting, I'll just tell you that the market is about to make another higher low. So that movement will be what? Bullish. So I will expect to, start looking for higher low, start looking for buy opportunities. Okay, that is one simple thing that a lot of people don't know, but it's simple though. Now, so far this market keeps making higher highs, higher highs. We are in a bullish trend. We are in a bullish market structure. Now, if this market, instead of making higher high, changes direction, instead of making that high, continuing that movement, it now made what? After making a high high, that made a lower low. Once you spot a lower low in the market, the next thing you should expect is lower high. Guys, I'm going to break this thing down in a way that even the dumbest person is going to understand this thing. The dumbest person will understand and flow with me. Just become part of this channel. Just become part of the channel. I'm going to open a lot of things to you. You're going to see for yourself. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, destroy that subscribe button for me as we are talking. Destroy that subscribe button and drop this video a like if you're enjoying the way I'm breaking down these teachings in a very simple way. Now, once price makes a lower low, the next thing you should be expecting is a lower high. And that process is usually bullish. And once you see this, just know that the trend has changed and it's about to start going bearish. That is a bearish market structure. It's a bearish market structure. Look at how the market is playing around. Just picture perfect. I'll make another video showing you how to trade with this simple concept. Now, if you notice something that happened here, you see that the price has reversed. As you can see, it's making lower lows and lower highs. This low here is lower than this low. This low here is lower than this low. This other low is lower. Now, it is being accompanied by a lower high, just like this. You see how it is flowing? Now, I want you to notice one thing that happened here. Now, you see that the price makes another move. You see how price made another move here? Price just made another move right here, made a higher high. Now you see that the price just changed, the direction has changed. Okay, the direction has changed from making lower lows to making higher highs. So once you see that the price is making higher highs and higher lows, bullish. Once you see that the price just made a what? This structure, ever the structure changes, if any of the structure changes, just know that the trend has automatically changed. That is just how it goes. That is just how it goes. Straight to the point. straight. That is exactly how it goes. From here, as it made a higher high, the next I'm expecting is to make what, a higher low. That is exactly what I'm saying. It's very simple, very simple. A layman will understand this one. A layman, like somebody who has never been on the chart before. So this my market structure video is so simple that even a layman can understand it. You know nothing about trading, you just come and you just understand exactly what I'm saying. Like, just understand it. Now, let me give you an example of a choppy market. Now, this here is an example of a choppy market. You see this? You see this? No precise, no precise direction. It's neither going up or going down, just going back and forth, back and forth. Just see, market is just on its own, doing its own thing, just going up, go down, go back up, go down, go back up, go down, just like that, before it breaks out and start making lower lows and lower high. So once you jump a market structure like this one, you just know that this market is with a ranging market. This is a consolidating market. All right, this is a consolidating market. I believe that by now you've understood what this is about. Now that you've been able to understand market structure properly, how do you then trade these market structures? Where are you going to place your SL? Where are you going to place your buy? What is going to trigger your buys and your sells? How are you going to go about placing a trade? Now, that question will be answered on the next video. I'm going to show you exactly how to capture these trades without any stress. You're going to be able to capture these trades and capture perfect entries with ease, with ease, perfect entries. So if you've seen the channel for the first time, destroy that subscribe button for me, drop this video a like, and remember to turn on the notification bell icon so you can be able to know when I'm dropping the next video.